Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guru. Today I'll be showing you how you can get easy to edit web templates on a platform called Envato Elements. If you're new to Envato Elements, I've put the link to the software in the description box below. It's super helpful, so please do check it out and I'd highly recommend it. All right. So Envato Elements is a platform that gives you access to millions of templates, sound effects, videos, music, fonts, photos, and more. But one thing a lot of people don't know about Envato Elements is that you can actually get your website templates ready, made on Envato Elements, and you really don't have to do anything. So all you have to do is search for that, get your template, go to the platform that's supported, so it might be Figma or any other tool, and edit it there. So if I search for website, as you can see, there's more than 250,000 results. I'm going to go down and see if I can find the template for my new website, for example. So I'm going to click on website template. As you can see, quite a few results. So there's graphic templates, there's graphics for your website, there's presentation templates, there's WordPress templates if you're using WordPress, which is, if you ask me, pretty cool. And then you have web templates, which are general templates that have been hand-coded using, different sources. So let's say I'm going to find an example. Let's say I like the web template over here, which is, it says Photix. I'm going to click on that. It's for photography and gallery. So let's say I'm making a photography website. It's telling me it's a HTML website, which is specialized for photography. It is beautiful. It's responsive. The file types are HTML, CSS, JS, and then it also gives me similar web templates, which is pretty useful. Now, I don't know what it's going to look like, so I can click on the live preview, and it's going to show me exactly what the live website will look like. So here you go, you have the landing page, you have different elements of it, and this is kind of a spooky kind of theme. So if that's what you're going for, there you go. But just to give you an overview of what the website templates look like. So you get different landing pages with it, different items, very easy to use. Let's say I look for Figma website. I want something that's supported with Figma because let's say that's something that I use. I'm going to click on this one. It says this is an interior website. They sell interior items. It's telling me it gives me 22 pages, which is very impressive. So I basically don't have to do anything. I can make my website by exporting this into Figma, editing it, and making it mine in no time. I'm going to look for another example just for you to get a better understanding of what the web templates look like on Envato Elements. So let's say I'm creating a digital agency website. It's showing me there's the application supported are Adobe Photoshop, XD, Figma. It is modern, clean interface, creative design. It's giving me different layouts, which is very useful. I can then click on download, add a new project. So I'm going to create a new project called website and then add and download, and that gives me the license to use it. So once I click download, it's going to get saved into my downloads, and then I can see what that looks like and use it in Figma. Okay, so let's say I'm using a fashion website as an example, and I'm trying to look for something for my fashion brand. I can just scroll down and find a fashion website that looks intriguing or interesting to me, something that I wouldn't have to work too hard on to edit, something that's already in line with my brand guidelines. And if they're not, then you can always change it because it's editable. But the closer to your brand, the better. So this is telling me it's a landing page, gives me one screen, it's very responsive, and it's supported by Figma. So if I'm happy with this, I would download it, or you can just continue looking for more. So this time I'm going to tweak the search to a WordPress website. So a lot of you use WordPress to, host their websites and create their websites on. So if you need a template for that, let's say you're not a coder, you're not a web developer, and you just don't want to go through the hassle, you can just use a template that's already supported on the platform that you like. So this is a WordPress template. You can just use it and copy and paste it into your WordPress and it'll work completely fine. So this is giving me 13 different pages. So it's breaking down the different pages, which is pretty useful. And then all I have to do is use that guideline and curate my own website. Okay, so I've given you a few different examples, but let's say you can't find something that you're looking for. You can use the AI search tool. So just click and search website template for my blog. So if you're a food blogger, you have food blog websites. If you are a different type of blogger, you can search for that. But let's say I'm a food blogger. I can click and get a live preview like we did for the other example. I can see what kind of features are in this design, what file types are supported, what the homepage would look like. And if I'm happy with the outline, then I just have to go ahead and download it. So it's pretty simple to use the AI tool and makes your life really easy. If you're happy with Envato Elements and you'd like to check it out, I have put the link to this software in the description box below. It is super easy to search for any asset that you're looking for, whether it's photos, sound effects. I would 100% recommend it. It has been a game changer for me, and I hope it proves to be the same for you. So that's all for today. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.